How's it going, everybody? If you are a resident here in Michigan and you have home and auto insurance policies, then this video is for you. Today I wanted to talk about a common question that I get, and that is around how much a $1 million umbrella insurance policy costs. And here's the good news. It probably is more affordable than you might expect. Thank you for stopping by. My name is Brian. I'm an independent insurance agent based here in the state of Michigan, Metro Detroit specifically, and I work with businesses on their commercial insurance programs, as well as helping families and individuals with their personal insurance, their home, their auto insurance as well. My goal with this channel is to pass on a little bit of educational information to you so that you can make more informed decisions around your insurance, and then overall help answer any questions that you might have. So let's get into it, and before we get too far in the video, I do want to invite you to subscribe to the channel, and if you find this video helpful, useful, anything like that, please feel free to like, share, pass it along with anyone else as well. So first, to start, what exactly is an umbrella insurance policy? It provides additional liability coverage that sits over top of your primary home and auto policies. So if there is ever a major accident, a major incident, and there is a lawsuit where the legal fees and the damages go above and beyond those primary policy limits, this is where an umbrella insurance policy will step in to provide that coverage up to the umbrella policy limit. Think of situations where you're maybe involved in a serious car accident where there are multiple vehicles involved, maybe severe injuries, or maybe an incident at your home where somebody gets injured and there's a lawsuit that follows. These are situations where claim costs can get extremely high very fast. And it's important to know, one of the biggest areas where having an umbrella insurance is key is going to be around the legal defense costs and then any potential judgments or settlements that might come from that lawsuit. Unfortunately, these are the types of situations where having that $1 million umbrella policy or potentially higher limits could save your family from a potential very bad financial situation. And with this policy, a lot of people might think that only quote unquote wealthy or rich people need to have these policies in place, but that is definitely not the case. These types of incidents can happen to anyone. And if you have a decent job, own a home, have a retirement account or investment account that you've invested money in over the years, you have assets that are worth protecting. And you can definitely benefit from having this additional layer of coverage in place. Now, as far as cost goes, most households that maybe have one primary home and two vehicles can expect the policy to cost anywhere from $300 to $500 a year. And this would again be for a $1 million policy limit. This would generally be the total annual premium, not per month. Again, the cost for this policy can vary. Sometimes it can be more. Maybe if you have rental properties, a boat, a second home, or maybe you have some higher risk drivers in the household, such as with teen drivers. Situations like that, the policy can be more expensive. And if you do have significant assets that are worth protecting, or you just want more peace of mind, umbrella policy limits can go up in $1 million increments. So if you want $2 million or maybe up to $5 million in coverage, this is generally available from most insurance companies. And again, this extra coverage can surprisingly be still pretty affordable, especially when you consider the amount of coverage it provides. At the end of the day, umbrella insurance really is one of the most cost-effective ways to provide basic financial protection for yourself and your family. Because unfortunately, we do not get to choose when an accident or incident occurs and there's a lawsuit that follows. But you can do your best to make sure that you have the right coverage and protection in place if something ever does occur. So thank you for watching, and if you are looking for help with an umbrella insurance policy or just your personal insurance in general, I would love the opportunity to work with you and see if our team can help. There are a lot of ways to get a hold of me, and they should all be in the description below. Please feel free to text, call, email, fill out a contact form, whatever is easiest. And if you have any other questions about insurance, please feel free to either reach out directly or leave them in the comments below. I would love to help answer those as well. So thank you again.